Brother, can I tell you one truth? The grooming industry wants you to stay confused. Forever beard oil for the beard, lip balm for the lips, a R2000 cream for dark under-eye circles, face wash for the face, a separate body lotion for elbows. If I told you that you could save thousands of rupees every month with just one Rs50 tin, how would you feel? Yes, I'm talking about Vaseline, meaning petroleum jelly. But wait, don't turn off the video thinking, oh, I know this. We put it on chapped lips, right? No, brother, today we will not talk about those basic things. Today I will tell you 7 such advanced scientific hacks with petroleum jelly that models and actors have been using for years to make their skin glass-like and features sharp. And the most important thing, I will also tell you which Vaseline to use when. Because in the market now, cocoa butter, aloe vera, and original all work differently. If you miss even one point in this video, you won't just miss one product, you'll miss an entire grooming routine. So let's save your money and upgrade your looks. First, let's talk about that trend that emerged from Korean skincare and took over the whole world. It's called slugging. In winters, brother, a guy's face often looks dull, gray, and lifeless. No matter how much moisturizer you apply, the skin becomes dry again by morning. Do you know the science behind this? Water evaporates from our skin all night, which in science we call transepidermal water loss. You apply the most expensive moisturizer, that too flies away in the air, but Vaseline is not like that. This means it doesn't add moisture to the skin, but instead creates a seal so that your skin's natural water loss doesn't happen. How to use this? Number 1, wash your face at night. Number 2, apply your regular moisturizer. Number 3, now comes the turn of Vaseline. Take Vaseline the size of a pea, warm it by rubbing it in your palms and press it lightly onto your face. Do not rub. But remember, if your skin is very oily or you have acne, then don't apply it all over the face. But if it's dry or normal skin, then brother, the next morning when you wake up, your skin will glow as if you got a Rs 5000 facial. But remember, for slugging you need only 100% pure petroleum jelly, which has no extra fragrance or color. The original one is the best. If you don't have that Vaseline or it's finished, then by clicking on the products below, you can directly order original Vaseline right now. Don't buy local or duplicate, otherwise your skin pores can get clogged. We boys buy expensive perfumes, but the complaint remains the same. Further, the fragrance is gone in just 2 hours. Especially in winter, perfume doesn't last on dry skin at all. People say apply Vaseline, the perfume will last. But no one tells how to layer it so that your fragrance also projects. So now I tell you it's pro technique. You don't just apply Vaseline. You have to create a custom solid perfume base. On your pulse points like neck, wrist, and behind the ears, apply a little Vaseline there. But here's a twist. If you use the cocoa butter Vaseline, whose fragrance is lightly sweet, and spray your woody and spicy perfume over it, then the combination that is created is absolutely amazing and unique. Now I tell you how this works. Perfume contains alcohol which evaporates very quickly, whereas Vaseline prevents that alcohol from being absorbed into the skin and creates a sticky surface on which the fragrance molecules stick. This makes your R500 perfume give lasting power like a R5000 designer perfume. And if you like a lightly sweet fragrance, then I have tagged the link for the cocoa butter Vaseline for you. It smells a little better than the normal one. Do check it out. Now we come to facial structure. Often the hairs in our beard, especially when they are medium length, are very rough and run here and there. To avoid this, we get a clean shave, but that doesn't look good, and applying beard oil makes it shine too much. Vaseline is the perfect balance between these two. What you have to do is take just a pinch of Vaseline, melt it well on your fingers, and now apply it to your eyebrows in an upward direction so the eyes look open and big. And what remains on your hands, lightly stroke it on your beard from top to bottom. Do not apply this to the beard roots, otherwise you can get pimples. Apply only on top of the hairs. This will bind your beard hairs together, making your beard look dense and well-groomed. This is best for those whose beard is patchy, because it helps cover the empty space. Many beard oils in the market come for RE500 to RE600. Vaseline does the same work for RE50. Isn't it an amazing deal? Now this hack I'm about to tell is for those brothers who keep a clean shave or shave their neckline. In winter after shaving, skin burns, turns red, and sometimes razor bumps appear. What do? We apply alcohol-based aftershave. Brother, that works like pouring ghee on fire. The skin is already raw. By applying alcohol on it, you are making it even drier. Here you have to use Aloe Fresh Vaseline. It has the cooling properties of aloe vera and the healing power of petroleum jelly. Right after shaving, wash your face with cold water and apply a little aloe Vaseline on the wet face. This creates a protective barrier on the skin, so outside bacteria don't enter the cut pores, and the aloe vera gives a soothing effect to your skin. Your razor burn will be gone in 10 minutes. Normal Vaseline can feel a bit heavy on the face during the day. That's why I personally recommend the Aloe Fresh one, because it is light and doesn't feel sticky. You will get its link in the products below. Now the hack I'm about to tell you is a bit personal, but we are guys. We have to talk. If you go to the gym, go running, or if your thighs are a bit heavy, then you must have the problem of chafing, meaning friction between the thighs. Especially when we do cardio, there is sweat and friction. The skin there turns red and it even hurts to walk. So you have no need to buy expensive anti-chafing creams. Just before your workout, apply a good thick layer of Vaseline to the edges of your inner thighs and underarms. It works like a lubricant. After applying this, your skin will not rub against skin, but will glide on the Vaseline layer. No redness, no pain, no rashes. This one small change can make your workout session very comfortable. Army guys or marathon runners, they have been using this hack for years. Now look, brother, grooming is not just for the face, it's for your overall presentation. Suppose your face is glowing, but your leather shoes or boots look old and dirty. The whole impression gets ruined. If your shoes are not polished, then take a little Vaseline on a cloth and rub it on your leather shoes, wallet, or leather jacket. It gives instant shine to the leather and also makes it waterproof. And with this, if your jacket or jeans zipper is sticking, apply a little Vaseline on the zipper. It will slide like butter. These small details are the signs of a well-groomed man. Now I'm going to tell you a secret that you won't find easily on the internet, but salon people hide it from you. Brother, go near the mirror and look at your nose carefully. Do you see those small black and white bumps? Yes, I'm talking about blackheads and whiteheads. We guys often ignore this. But when you talk to someone, the other person's gaze goes straight to your nose, and that strawberry-like nose is not attractive at all. Now what will you do? Bring those pore strips from the market which make tears come out when you pull them? Or that expensive charcoal mask? Stop, brother. Don't waste money. Those strips damage your skin and make the pores even bigger. The safest and most effective treatment is in your Vaseline tin. Look, what are blackheads actually? They are just accumulated oil and dirt, right? Science has a rule that oil dissolves oil, meaning only oil can melt hardened oil. And there is a specific way to fix this. Listen to it carefully, layering. First, apply a very thick layer of Vaseline on your nose. Don't be stingy. The whole nose should look white. Now take a little cling wrap from your kitchen and stick it over the Vaseline. After this, soak a small towel in hot water, wring it out, and place it over the plastic for 5 minutes. The logic behind this is that this plastic and hot towel together will create a steam effect which will open your pores, and the Vaseline will go inside and melt that hardened oil. After 5 minutes, remove that plastic. Now wipe off the Vaseline with a tissue and take 2 cotton buds and lightly glide them on your nose, pressing from bottom to top. You will not believe your eyes. All that dirt, all those blackheads and whiteheads will come out on the cotton buds. Without any pain, without peeling your skin, your nose will instantly become smooth and shiny. Do not do this every day. It's a deep cleansing hack. Do it only once a week. And if you want what I told you to work properly, then use only pure petroleum jelly. Do not use the fragranced one at all. And yes, if you don't have cotton buds, I have put a link to a grooming kit in the description, which has all the necessary things you need. Do check it out. It's a very cheap hack, but the results are like an expensive facial. Now lastly, one final hack, which is the most solid treatment for the most common problem. Dark and chapped lips, whether you smoke or not. In winter, lips become dark and dry anyway. And to tell you the truth, girls notice this first. And for this, just applying Vaseline won't work. You will first have to remove the dead skin. For this, you first take a sugar mixture. Mix a little Vaseline into it. Scrub this on your lips for 1 minute, and then wipe it off with a tissue.